Hello there, John Richardson. Going to show you a 291 2019 Bunkhouse Catalina. There's some neat things about the Catalina I want to show you. This is what I refer to as a stick and tin, meaning we've got aluminum skin on the outside with wood studs built just like a house is, only 2x2s instead of 2x4s. I'm going to make this quick on the outside because, as you can probably tell, it's going to try and rain on us up here in Oregon. So we've got storage here. This is going to go underneath the bed in the bedroom. When we get inside, I'll show you what I'm talking about. We've got an electric awning. We have a outside kitchen area in the back end of this. So the people that want to cook outside, you got an electric awning. If I had a battery, I'd put the awning out and I'd be sitting out there rather than being inside. So let's go inside. Now, what I really like about the Catalina, as you can plainly see, everybody complains to me, and I've been doing this now for going on 29 years right here at Guaranty. Everybody complains about the darker colors. Well, as you can see, Coachmen has addressed that. Now we have very light colors. Even on a dark, dreary day, which is the beginning of February in 19, as you can see, we've got very light countertops, very light colors on the wood. It's just a very, very light, airy, attractive looking coach, even without any lights on it. Now, the unique thing about this is it's got 3 bunks. So if you got a bunch of kids, or you're taking the Boy Scout troops out, this is a rig you'd want to consider. One of the things I really like about the Coachmen product, and people ask me all the time, John, I want a bedroom that is separated from the rest of the trailer. I don't want a curtain. I don't want a TV to separate it. I want a wall and I want a door. So that's what we're going to show you right now. Is I can accommodate you with that request, because right here you got a whole wall. You got the TV here. It doesn't spin around. Pretty nice looking TV, isn't it? So we've got a wall with a door into the bedroom. Now inside the bedroom, again, very light and airy. We've got a couple of hanging closets. We've got a queen bed. We've got a shelf up over the top. LED lights. You've got storage with a real mattress underneath it. So we've got separation here for the storage area, some inside the bedroom. The rest of it, as you can see, is partitioned off, and that's separated where you can get to it from the outside. One of the other things about the Coachmen product that I personally like is right here. Plywood, not OSB board. There's cheaper trailers out there, you're going to find out. Come to Guaranty, we don't carry the cheapest trailer. There's a reason for that. You're buying a trailer that you want durability. I believe the durability comes in the way of plywood rather than OSB board. So consequently, we do not carry any new product that has OSB board. We're the biggest dealer in Oregon. We've been here since 1966. I think we kind of know what we're doing. So what I want to show you here is lots of storage. I won't go into a bunch of details, but you can see here, one of the other things I'll tell you about this, these cabinets, this piece of wood here is screwed together on a paste framing machine rather than just stapled together where any weight that goes on it's going to loosen up your cabinets. This thing's going to stay just as well made as it is right now. You got molded in double sinks with a nice big galley faucet, double sink here. There's a hole just like that right over here. Okay, we've got a spot behind us for the TV. We got stereo, AM, FM, CD, Bluetooth, all of that stuff. Then in the slide out, we have a couch that makes up into a bed, and we have a booth that makes up into a bed. So this will sleep a couple people, the bedroom will sleep a couple people, and this will sleep a couple people. There's 6, and we haven't even got into the bedroom area where the kids are. So there's 3 bunks there. So relatively speaking, you can sleep 9 people. Good cabinet space everywhere you want cabinets, with real wood here, not plastic inserts. Cabinet underneath the sink, 3-burner stove, microwave, hood fan, oven, that's very important, double door fridge. Oh. This is a Norcold refrigerator. If you watched any of my other videos, I brag about the Norcold and the recessed freezer and the positive latches that you can open up with one hand while you got your hand full with the other one. So then coming in here, we have a bathroom. We got a bathtub, a skylight, a sink, a toilet, and a medicine cabinet. All in the same room, if you can believe that or not. And then we come back to the bedroom area. Here we have a curtain here. We have 2 cabinets coming in. And we actually have 3 beds here. We got the 2 top bunks. As you can see, this one's quite a bit wider, so really, in reality, you could probably sleep a couple people here. Underneath this is where your outside kitchen is on the outside. Here you have a table so that the kids can play games, or you can put the table down and make that into the 3rd bunk. So, what I'd like you guys to do is, number 1, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch the video. I hope I taught you something. Better yet, if you got a question, come out, see me. My name's John Richardson. The phone number's right here at the bottom. Be more than happy, love to meet you and answer any questions you may have. Again, thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it. You have a good day.